Forensic testing methods for identification of cocaine traces. Introduction. Cocaine is an addictive drug and occurs naturally in coca plants from South America. The drug poses several risks to a person's well-being, such as paranoia, anger issues, irritability, nausea, constriction of blood vessels, overexcitement, respiratory complications, and pneumonia. Despite these effects, some people still smuggle small quantities of cocaine through various means for illegal supply or personal consumption. Thus, forensic experts need specialized methods for examining and analyzing suspicious substances such as white powder for traces of the drug. This essay explains some of the most efficient and easy methods of testing and analyzing samples to determine traces of cocaine, particularly in white powder. Testing methods. Confirmatory test. According to the sample of investigation, there are several methods used to test for cocaine substances. They include chromatography mass spectrometry trials, confirmatory, cocaine and crack, presumptive, liquid chromatography, solubility, and anion tests. Chromatography mass spectrometry techniques are confirmatory tests that combine mass spectrums and gas chromatography to determine different substances in a given test. The process separates the individual compounds, determines the chemical composition, and compares them against reference materials to conclude the results after the test. Chromatography tests are credible since they use a set of instrumental tests to analyze and identify the traces of cocaine in substances. Presumptive test. Another method used is the cocaine and crack presumptive test that determines traces of cocaine through wet chemical reactions. The test involves immersing a tiny amount of the white substance into the damp chemical and observing color changes. The blue color change on the wet chemical means there is the presence of cocaine in the white powder. The test is accurate as it provides distinct color indications. The test is also easy to handle and interpret results. Similarly, the presumptive test also uses color indicators to detect traces of cocaine in substances. Both tests were negative, indicating a lack of cocaine in the white powder. Conclusion. There are different types of tests and methods of determining traces of cocaine in the white powder. Confirmatory tests include gas chromatography mass spectrometry tests, GCMS, solubility tests, and anion tests, while presumptive tests include cocaine and crack tests, among others. Both tests confirmed traces of cocaine through color charts where all results were negative, indicating there were no traces of cocaine in the white powder.